Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix Face ID required. Stolen device protection is turned on. So guys, if you're trying to use your device but you are facing this pop-up and you are unable to use your device, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you turn off stolen device protection on your Apple devices. So guys, this is very basic and simple. First of all, you have to simply go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings in your device. So guys, open settings and now you have to simply scroll it below and you have to tap on Face ID and passcode and enter your passcode from here. So guys, do this and after this wait for some seconds and now scroll it below from here, and from here you can see you can easily turn on or turn off stolen device protection on your Apple device. So guys, here you can read the instructions as well, that this adds another layer of security when iPhone is away from familiar locations such as home and work. So guys, if you turn it on, then if your iPhone is away from your location such as your home or your work, then the stolen device protection will help you to secure your device. So guys, from here you can easily turn it on or turn it off. So guys, here you can see this, it requires Face ID to turn on or turn off. So guys, from here you can easily turn it on or turn it off. So guys, hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.